The buyer said yes. Here's how an accepted quote becomes a real Shopify draft order in one short wizard. On the accepted quote, hit Prepare Conversion. The wizard is 4 steps. Group the lines, calculate, create the order, send the invoice. It starts from exactly what the buyer accepted, all lines, or just the ones they said yes to, with the acceptance recorded, version, and all. Select accepted lines and group them. Ship everything together or split by destination. Each group becomes its own draft order. Set shipping per group, a live carrier rate, a manual amount, or skip it and settle shipping later. Every choice is audited. Then calculate through Shopify itself. Real tax, real shipping, the same math as checkout. Create order, and the group flips to convert it. Your draft order is 1 click away. There it is in Shopify, the negotiated $425 locked on every unit, net 30 payment terms, the company right on the order. Last step, send invoice. Shopify emails the buyer a checkout link. The moment they pay, it's an order. That's quote to order, no retyping, nothing lost in translation. QuotWay, built for Shopify.